slinging this thing, and we are about to snatch this. So y'all, I am coming to y'all with a wig series in which I'll be unboxing wigs, synthetic, full lace, or whatever the case it may be, human, and we're gonna snatch these MFing wigs, okay? First unit today, y'all, we are going to be doing Ultra Wig Pop synthetic full wig. This is Chastity. Okay, so y'all see what it look like. This is what Chastity is looking like. Hopefully I'm gonna look cuter than Chastity, okay? So y'all, first things first, I'm one of those people, I grow hair all the way down my neck. In order to be able to wear a short wig, we're gonna have to shave that off, sis. So I'm just gonna go for it, okay? I'm just gonna go for it. Get all this extra hair off the bottom of my neck. Oh my God! So I kind of just, I'm feeling around, y'all. When you do your own hair, you can pretty much feel like, you know what I'm saying? Feel like where stuff is at. So I feel like I did a pretty decent job. And if I see any more hairs poking out, your girl is going to easily. Now what I'm gonna do is, underneath here I have a lot of plaits. We always want to keep our natural hair moisturized. So I am going to use some of this argan oil by Morocco. It's a dry oil, and spray down my hair. Real nice, okay? Y'all, I just found out these plaits actually lay a lot flatter than having like a full braid pattern in. I don't know why, but it do. So now we're gonna grab all the hair, all the extra hairs. We're gonna use this cap, bring it around edge to grip every piece of hair back. We about to open up Chastity now. This unit is 400 degrees Fahrenheit safe. So you can use up to 400 degrees on it. Ooh, that feels so weird. I never shaved my nape like that before. That feels so weird. Popping this baby out. Y'all, I don't ever wear short hair, so I'm so surprised and excited to see how this baby gonna look, okay? Off rip, it just looks wiggy. To be honest, at the top of here, I'm probably gonna like add a little bit of concealer right in that spot. But for the most part, it's not gonna be visible, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Cut off this string. So yeah, key features. It says the great value, range of trendy colors and styles, which they did have a lot of styles. Heat styling friendly. Y'all, this color is red burgundy, okay? I have my Baby Liss Pros set to 30. Because I want to make sure it's not gonna burn it. I'm gonna do a test strip too right here. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna try to put too much heat in it because I really don't want to jack it up, to be honest. So just adjust your cap to your head. I think I'm gonna go in one more notch. I love this new and improved method they have. The hook has another hook on the inside of it so that it'll actually stay. Okay, so y'all know the tag is right here, so you know that's the back of the unit. We about to put this baby on now, sister. Sis, we putting it on, sis. Sis, I made it too tight, sis. Sis, I need to loosen it up, sis. Back to where it was. It's got 2 ear tabs in here so that you'll know where the ears are at. Ooh, ooh. Hold up, boo. Hold up, this look edgy and nice. Okay. Just comb it out. I kind of like that messy look you just had though. Yo, off rip, this is cute. Like, we're gonna follow our ear tabs, and I kind of want my ear to, I want my ear out on both sides. Yo, off rip, I love this. Let's see how it look. Kind of like flip to the side, the other side. Yo, this wig is ready. Like, it's ready. I think I want to wear it like this. Like, I want everything to come to the front like this. This will tip I'm on. So y'all, I love the way it's falling, but I would like for this part around the ear to be, you know what I'm saying? I want my ear to stick out. Like, I could just tuck it, but I want it to be like natural looking. So we're gonna go in and trim around the ear. Okay, we're gonna do the same for this side. This little hair that fall right here. I mean, I like the way this looking though, like the rest of it. With the edgy look, I want it all coming to the front. My sideburns, I would like to be curled under more, like type of shit. Yo, I love messy hair. Messy, like, even for these parts, like, I just want that shit just messy, like. I want to kind of, you know what I'm saying, like, just kind of bunched up and just messy. See, like these couple of parts, we gonna make them shorter. Cause I don't want this part like running into my eyebrow or my hair, like my eyelashes and stuff. I don't know, y'all, what y'all think? I think this shit cute. We need a little bit more heat. I feel like this part could be a little shorter too. Y'all, what y'all think? I'm gonna wear these with like my edgy glasses. Or like my edgy little glasses and stuff, and just I ain't gonna add no more heat because I see this thing ain't doing too great with heat, okay? So this how I'm gonna wear it. What y'all think? Hold on, let me clean my shirt. So far, y'all, like the couple little parts that I put heat on, I feel like it's not taking good to heat. And I know it's on low, so I would be very weary of using heat on this unit. Very weary. See, because I kind of wanted to, like, when I put heat on up here, it's looking like it's burning. It's looking like staticky a little bit, which is cool with me because I want that raggedy look. But I'm not about to continue to put heat on it because what's gonna happen is it's gonna be looking like a fuzzball. And we ain't doing that, okay, sis? So this is the look, y'all, I guess. This is what I'm going with. And I absolutely love it. Like, what y'all think? I'm wearing these with it. These cute little shades I got. Feel me? What y'all think? PIXIE. What the back looking like? I'm gonna add a little mousse to the back real quick. So y'all, I got some tropical roots mousse. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand. And I'm just gonna like kind of lay this back down. Because I really just want it to be like flesh. So yeah. So I guess this is it for this unit, y'all. It didn't take much. Tell me what y'all think. I don't wear short hair, so what do y'all think about this? I like it though. It's like so edgy. I love this edgy look on me. I am gonna put a dab of concealer right at the top right here. And yeah, y'all, that's gonna complete this. I like it though. It's gonna get more dull as I wear it. And I think I'm going to really appreciate that about it. But yeah, we gotta make sure ain't no hairs tucking out. None. Did you hear me? So that's it, y'all. Your girl is ready to go down the runway. I'm gonna add my little shades. I'm gonna wear me some hoops with this. Got my little nose ring and we winning, baby. We winning. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section about this here. I'm loving this look, okay? So yeah, as always, y'all, it's your girl Ching-A-Ling and this thing. If there are any other units that you guys would like me to go ahead and snatch and check out and whip up real quick, comment them down below, okay? I'm super excited about this series, y'all. If y'all are, comment down below right now, okay? I'm feeling this. I know it's gonna be some units that you gotta do more to. I know it's gonna be some units you gotta do less to, but hey, your girl ready to do it. So link those units down below. As always, it's your girl Ching-A-Ling in this thing, and I will be back again soon, y'all. So stay tuned. Bye.
Think